Hey everyone, this is Nana Gilbert Buffer from Tracking 202. I'm happy to have you join us today. We have Jordan from LanderBolt, and he's going to show us something that I think you as an affiliate are going to really enjoy and change the way you look at building your campaigns, scaling, testing, and going from beginner affiliate to more advanced. So just even if you're more advanced, just like systematizing what you're already doing in a much more efficient manner. Jordan, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. Can you guys hear me? Hey everyone, this is Jordan. Thank you, Nana, for the awesome introduction. So I'm going to go ahead and do a demo of our new invention, which is LanderBolt. You're going to start in the domain section, and in the domain manager, you can manage all of your domains, add domains, manage subdomains, turn domains on and off. And when you do that, all the pages on that domain will 404, and that's really powerful. If I want to add a custom domain, I simply come up to LanderBolt, and this is where you're going to start when you create a new account. You're going to click Add Custom Domain, and you can go to whatever domain registrar you have, buy a domain, or if you have a current domain, copy that domain, put it inside LanderBolt, and paste it inside without the www. You do not need a www in there. Then go ahead and click Save. Once you've done that, LanderBolt is going to give you two name servers. You're going to go ahead and take those name servers and copy them. So I'm going to copy this first name server. And in your domain registrar, all you're going to do is go to custom DNS. So we do all the hard work for you. Paste in your first name server, paste in the second name server, hit the green check mark, and now LanderBolt in our domain landing page, in our domain manager, is now going to manage all of your domains. It's very, very powerful. You can delete domains, you can take down every landing page on a domain with a simple toggle switch, and you can add subdomains, which is really cool. So if I want to add a subdomain, I can click Add Subdomain, and I can add a subdomain here, so toolbar. And now that subdomain is live. I can delete that subdomain, turn it on and off. The domains management panel in LanderBolt is meant to help you keep track of all of your domains and also give you the ability to eliminate your FTP program, your server, all of that stuff. The next thing we're going to do that you're going to do inside LanderBolt is go to the template section. Now you can either start from our pre-made templates that we have. We have templates in all different verticals that you can start with, and then go ahead and make those templates your own. We have advertorials, we have sweepstakes pages, a lot of different types of pages you can start with. However, my favorite feature is that we have an integration with Adplexity. And in a minute, I'm going to show you how powerful that is. So I'm going to go ahead and log into Adplexity. And this is great if you want to launch a campaign quickly and start with a proven page. It's so, so powerful. I'm going to go ahead and log into my Adplexity native account. And inside Adplexity native ads, I'm going to search for an offer that maybe I want to run, or I've heard, or I've got an advertiser who has given me budget to run this offer, but I want to start with a working page, and I can do that by using Adplexity and our one-click page import feature. This is simply the fastest and easiest way to launch campaigns. And you'll see in under 5 minutes, I'm challenging myself in under 5 minutes to get a campaign live. I'm going to use an example called Amazon Honey, and that's an offer that is a toolbar install. So I'm going to type that in here, and Adplexity has a ton of ads, as you can see, for Amazon Honey. So I'm actually going to just click on one of those, and this is a native ad, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And once it loads, I'm going to go and click on the Show More button under landing pages. So Adplexity has a landing page thing here, a landing page thing, and I'm going to go click Show More, and there it is. There's a brand new landing page, and I can go ahead and preview this page. This is an advertorial. It's really compliant, and we are integrated with Adplexity, and in one click, one page import, I can click Import to LanderBolt, and this is the special sauce. I'm going to call this Amazon Honey Import. select any domain from the domain manager, any subdomain that I want, and I can actually name these anything that I want. I can put unlimited subdomains inside of LanderBolt. I have an Amazon Honey subdomain, so I'm going to go ahead and put that subdomain. Actually, I don't have one right now, so I'm just going to put that right there. And then we have a folder section. If you want to put it in a subfolder, you can. If you don't have to. I'm going to put it in a subfolder right now, and then I'm about 2.5 minutes in. I'm going to challenge myself to do this as quickly as possible. Now, to organize your pages, because you're going to see that with LanderBolt Speed, you're going to be able to launch tons of pages very, very quickly. I can put type and vertical in here. I can put installs, and then language is English. And right now, I click import, and right now LanderBolt is optimizing the page. It's taking the images, optimizing the images, taking the CSS and doing some really cool things with the page. It's deleting all the JavaScripts in the page that would either redirect it or Facebook pixels or Google tracking pixels. All the JavaScript is removed from the page, so you can simply click the Offer URL tab, put the offer URL for your tracking link if you're using a tracker or you're direct linking. In one click, you can put the offer URL in here, and what that's going to do is LanderBolt is going to replace every outgoing link in your landing page with the offer URL. That's extremely powerful. We love that feature. I'm going to click Save, and in just a few minutes, I'm going to click Publish and View Landing Page, and now I have a page live on my server, ready to track, ready to go. And I'm going to click View Landing Page, and here it is. This is a live landing page that I imported in just about 3 minutes from Adplexity. So it's a page that's compliant. It's an awesome page, and I can go ahead and anytime I want, I can click Unpublish, and now that page is going to 404, and no one will see it. So if I want to publish it, I can publish it again. Now let's go back to our dashboard. Our dashboard is where we're going to be able to control our pages, and if I want to, I can select multiple pages at once, and we have a JavaScript suite here. So if I want to add a custom script to say 30, 40 pages at once and do really quick split tests, I can do that in bulk. And we are all about speed and bringing your landing pages and products to the market as quickly as possible. Next, if I want to take that page and split test it, I simply click copy. Once I click copy, I'm going to name that version 2, put it on a different subfolder or a different domain or a different subdomain, click copy, and immediately LanderBolt's going to copy that page. I'm going to publish it, and now I'm going to show you the page editor. The page editor is where you're going to be able to edit your pages and do all your split testing. So it's a full visual drag and drop page editor. You do not have to know code. I'm going to make one variation of this page just to show you how quickly you can split test your pages. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this image here, and I'm just going to change an image on this page and just do an A/B split test. So I'm going to let this load. I'm going to go ahead and click on the image, and I'm going to just take a screenshot of that image real quick, and I'm going to load it in my page, go back to LanderBolt, and click on the image, and everything that you can do in a drag and drop page editor. And this is essentially Dreamweaver, but simpler and easy to use. If you know code, we have a full code editor, and if you're a techie, you can do all the code. LanderBolt has an algorithm and is very smart. When it imports a page, it actually takes out the CSS and parses that CSS and puts it in the CSS folder, and then we have a JavaScript folder for you too. So I'm going to go ahead and change this image, and I have an image library if I want, or I can just go ahead and take that image and I can make a variation of my page, and as you can see, change it to a different image. It's just going to update in a second here with the female image. So let me make sure I did that right. Upload image. Try it again. Okay, so there it is. I changed my image. I can save this page. I can preview it in a desktop device, close it, save and close, and I have a split test done, and I did that in all about 5 minutes, and that is a speed version of LanderBolt. LanderBolt is extremely powerful, and you can in one 10 minute in 10 minutes you can literally publish your pages, split test pages, get 10 pages live, start with proven already working pages, and do it all in one dashboard. Eliminate your server costs, eliminate your FTP, all the CDNs, everything, and then the best part is the load speeds. We have some of the fastest load speeds in the world, and that's the last thing I'll show you really quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and go over to Pingdom. Now, if you want to learn more and go through see a full slower demo of LanderBolt, you can go ahead and see that too. I'm going to load this page from Sweden, and what you'll see is at first the page is going to load in about 3 to 4 seconds, but we have built-in technology that's going to cache every static file on this page. So every time this page is loaded from a different location, look at that, 545 milliseconds from Sweden, and 96%. We actually get lower than that, all the way at 200 milliseconds, and we are built to take unlimited traffic. So that is a really quick tour of LanderBolt, and as you can see how powerful it is, we have all these different categories of templates you can start with. If you want to do, if you're Cody and you want a techie type person, you want to do code, you can absolutely do that. And we have a blank template page here where you can start with a blank template and design anything you want, or you can just copy and paste HTML, your CSS inside our blank template, and that page will be live on LanderBolt, and it will be editable in our page editor. So if you want to learn more, we have a longer tutorial where I go a little bit slower, but as you can see, LanderBolt is the equivalent of taking the landing page methodology and how the industry uses landing pages from like a BlackBerry phone to an iPhone, and we've done it in one dashboard where you can simply view all of your landing pages. You can use a search function to search for your pages, and it is extremely fast. It allows you to get your pages to market quicker. Amazon. So I just typed in Amazon, and it pulls up all my Amazon pages. I can select all these Amazon pages that I want. If I want to, I can delete them. I can set a JavaScript up for each of these pages with one click. If I want to do a redirector, I can redirect the page. I have custom scripts. There are so many features, but this is just a 5-minute quick rundown of LanderBolt. If you are interested, go to landerbolt.com/202, and on that page you'll see that we have 3 plans. You can go ahead and choose a plan, and we have 3 different options available. Go ahead and read through these. The plan that's most popular is our professional plan, and that is a quick 5-minute tour of LanderBolt. If you want to learn more, you can go ahead and watch the full webinar and see me do split tests and see me spy more and get more in and really understand LanderBolt. But if you like what you see, go ahead and keep watching the webinar, and we can dive deeper into LanderBolt. So thank you for watching that, and that's just a quick 5-minute demo of our brand new invention, and we're calling this a landing page management system because it's much more than a landing page builder. It's much more than a landing page builder and hoster. It is a extremely powerful tool that allows you to not only make more money, analyze your stats quicker, and find profitable campaigns with faster load speeds, the ability to import already working pages, and the ease of use. It is extremely user friendly, and that's what we love about LanderBolt. So thank you very much for letting me show you this 5-minute demo. And if you all want to learn more, we have a longer webinar where we go a little bit slower, and you can watch that and really learn about our new technology and our new invention. Thank you very much.